Hello, it's Tim from Baldy Tim's Reviews. Yep, it's been a while and I apologise for the kind of shakiness and briefness of this video, but I've got a deal I've come across and that I've actually gone for myself that is frankly unbelievable, and I don't know how much longer it's going to be around for, so I thought I'd bring it to your attention right now as quick as I can. So I'll go into it without too much further ado, but it concerns the Panasonic Lumix S5 full frame mirrorless camera and a superb, amazing deal they're doing on it. So I'll just show you that right now by going onto the site. Oh, and by the way, I should stress, I'm not employed by Park Cameras at all. I've got no affiliation to them. I've just really a happy customer who saw this unbelievable deal, went for it myself and thought I'd kind of share the deal with you. So if you're looking for this camera and you want a great deal, you can do it as well. So here we go. This is the Park Cameras homepage, and I'll show you that as of today, I don't know if you can see it in the top corner there, Friday the 4th of March 2022, this deal is current, and it has actually been around for a while. I didn't think it'd be here by now, but it is. So all you need to do is go into offers and into Panasonic offers down there, and here is the page, and there is actually another offer, this one here, which actually includes the Lumix S5 camera with 20-60 lens, and you get the tripod grip kit, and it also looks like you get a spare battery, although it doesn't say that. So had I gone for this deal, I would have wanted to rung them up and verified that you get a second spare battery, but I wasn't concerned about a spare battery and the grip tripod thing, because I've got those already really, or I'm going to sort them out otherwise. But I'll just go onto an even more or an even better deal. If you go onto page 2 and over this side, you'll see that all of a sudden the S5 is £100 cheaper at £16.99, and because it doesn't come with the potentially the spare battery or the grip, but you do get the S5 full frame camera with a 20-60mm f3.5 to 5.6 lens kit. But if you go into these red bits at the bottom here, just look what else they're offering. First of all, you got a £200 off voucher code, which you just put in as you're checking out, and that £16.99 will drop down to £14.99. That was my experience. And then you go into the second little red thing there, look at that, and this is where it gets unbelievable. Free Panasonic lens worth £449. That is the 50mm f1.8 lens that you get in addition to the 20-60 zoom. And you can even, this, I didn't go for this, but you could even get it on interest-free credit as well. Just unbelievable, it really is. And I'll just point out one thing. You can see that nifty 50 costs $449, and if we just sort of go into lenses and Panasonic lenses, and here we go, again on their site, you can see that the Lumix 20-60, if you're buying it on its own, would cost you £619. Now, okay, I know you're not likely to do this, but if you bought all three things, the body, the 50mm and the 20-60mm all separately, you would have to pay $619 plus the $449 there for the nifty 50. And if you added that up, so yeah, those two lenses, if you bought them separately, would come to $1068. And if we go back to the Park Cameras site, remember that £200 discount code, that $16.99 comes down to $14.99. If you subtracted that £1,068 from £1,499 and press equals, that means you are paying effectively £431 for the S5 body. And can you believe that? You would be hard pressed to go out and get a 10-year-old full frame camera, something like a, I don't know, Nikon D800 in good condition for that kind of money, body only. And yet here you are in 2022, you can get a sort of a modern, current, full frame body for £431. Unbelievable. So there you go. I think you got to agree that is a fantastic deal. It really is. It's just unbelievable, isn't it? And again, just to reiterate, I've got no affiliation whatsoever with Park Cameras. I'm a customer myself that has gone for this deal myself because I just couldn't resist it. And yeah, I'm now a very happy owner of a quality full frame camera body and a couple of superb lenses. So Tim from Baldy Tim's Reviews, thanks for watching.